So what's the plan?
First, we're gonna serve.
Okay.
Then after serve, I'm gonna make dinner.
Okay. What's for dinner?
I'm thinking about pasta.
Pasta. Can you make lasagna?
We have no noodle.
No noodles.
How about a no noodle lasagna?
No noodle lasagna.
I use some eggplant.
Ooh, that sounds good. Interesting. Yeah. Okay.
Homemade red sauce. And we're using whole tomatoes, peeled. Dried oregano. Bay leaf. Hawaiian salt. Black pepper. Garlic. Sweet onions. And sun-dried tomatoes. Now, any red sauce can work. However, we'll list ours in the comments below. And don't forget, please like and subscribe. Dicing some sweet onions. And we're going to add the onions to the skillet in some olive oil for a saute. And we're going to cook until clear. And after a light saute, we'll put it on pause. Dicing the whole tomatoes and sun-dried tomatoes. And we're going to add them to this saute. A little oregano, and we're going to start to mix it up. And the bay leaf, and we're good to go. Now we're going to boil some red potatoes. And the star of the show, the eggplant. First, we're slicing it about a 1/4 inch thick. We're going to bake the eggplant in the oven at 400 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes until a little bit soft. Adding some Hawaiian salt. And some olive oil. And we're going to pop them in the oven. Okay, now we have our baked eggplant, our boiled red potatoes. Layer number 1, the red sauce. Next, the baked eggplant. And we're going to add some more red sauce. Now remember, this sauce has no noodles. The eggplant and the potatoes, as we start to put them in, provide our texture. And we're going to add some more red sauce to layer number 2. And today we're using Muenster cheese. Now, any kind of cheese will work. The rest of the baked eggplant and the red potatoes. Final bit of red sauce. And some mixed jack and cheddar for the topping. Setting the oven again, still at 400. We're going to keep them in there for just about 15 to 18 minutes. And there we are, beautiful, no noodle needed lasagna. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the kitchen soon. Aloha.